That's right, Johnny Cash.
Here we go.
What's that? No. I hear the train coming, it's rolling round the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. But I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. When I hear that whistle blowing on down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. Well, I bet there's rich folks eating in a fancy dining car, and probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. But I knew I had it coming. I knew I can't be free. Well, that train keeps moving, that's what tortures me. My blue